Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. When is the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking observed? Option A June 21st, Option B June 26th, Option C July 1st, Option D July 5th. Correct answer B June 26th. Notes the United Nations General Assembly in 1987 decided to observe June 26th as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. This year's theme is People First, Stop Stigma and Discrimination, Strengthen Prevention. Every year, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime UNODC issues the World Drug Report. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Which institution is said to deploy 10 million brushless direct current motor BLDC fans across the country from September? Option A BIS, Option B EESL, Option C NITI Aayog, Option D NASSCOM. Correct answer B EESL. Notes the Energy Efficiency Services Limited EESL has plans to bolster the market towards energy-efficient fans by deploying 10 million brushless direct current motor BLDC fans across the country from September. EESL is a joint venture of PSUs of the Ministry of Power. This plan is a part of its efforts to reduce energy consumption. It is also designed to support the country's nationally determined contributions (NDC) targets. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. Which company is said to buy the Danske Bank's IT center in India? Option A HDFC Bank, Option B Infosys, Option C Axis Bank, Option D Tata Consultancy Services. Correct answer B Infosys. Notes Infosys has announced a long-term collaboration with Danske Bank. The projected agreement worth $454 million for a 5-year term has the possibility to renew for an extra year up to 3 times. As part of this agreement, Infosys will also buy Danske Bank's IT center in India, which employs over 1,400 people. Danske Bank, headquartered in Denmark, provides banking services to individuals and businesses, as well as large corporations and institutions. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. Which country amended its Election Act to limit the disqualification of lawmakers to 5 years with retrospective effect? Option A Sri Lanka, Option B India, Option C Pakistan, Option D Myanmar. Correct answer C Pakistan. Notes in Pakistan, the National Assembly has passed a bill seeking an amendment to the Elections Act 2017, aimed at limiting the disqualification of lawmakers to 5 years with retrospective effect. The Act, titled Elections Amendment Bill 2023, also aims to empower the Election Commission of Pakistan to announce election dates unilaterally without having to consult the President. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Which institution leads the Trans-Asia Railway Tar Network? Option A World Bank, Option B UN, Option C WEF, Option D IMF. Correct answer B UN. Notes the Asian Development Bank ADB is set to provide $400 million in loans to Bangladesh for the construction of 102 kilometers long dual-gauge railways between Chattogram and Cox's Bazar to promote trade, investment and tourism. Chattogram-Cox's Bazar Railway is part of the Trans-Asia Railway Tar Network, an initiative led by the United Nations, aiming to provide seamless rail links between Asia and Europe to better connect people and markets.